One trade today, 30 points and an exit decision that saved me from a very painful reversal. Because in the second half of the day, the same strike that was giving me profit went from OTM to ITM in minutes. Here's exactly what happened and why I got out in time. Today is Tuesday, 26th of May 2026, Nifty monthly expiry session. Monthly expiry is different from weekly expiry. The moves are sharper, volatility is higher, and strikes can move very aggressively in both directions. Market opened flat, slightly negative, and right at 24,000. Now, 24,000 was not just any level today. Yesterday market had broken above 24,000, a key level, and today it had opened right at that point, same point. The question was simple: would 24,000 hold at support today or would it give away? And that question gave me my entire plan for the day. My plan coming into today was straightforward. If the first candle shows 24,000 holding as support, I take a bullish trade. And that is exactly what the first candle showed. Initially market was falling, but then something interesting happened. Price took support right at the zone where the market had been continuously rejected in the previous session. In trading, when a level that was previously acting as resistance starts holding as support, that is called resistance turns support, and it is one of the strongest signals you can get. That confirmation was enough. I entered a PE sell trade in 24,000 PE with an initial plan to hold till R1. As soon as my entry happened, market moved in my direction. The trade was moving well. Market was heading towards R1 as planned. But near previous day high, market made a fake out. Now a fake out near a key level like previous day high on a monthly expiry day is a warning sign. It is telling you the move is struggling here and a reversal is possible. And given my experience with past monthly expiries where volatility can reverse a trade very quickly, I made the decision to exit. Around 30 points booked, total profit 6,400. Now, was there more room for profit? Yes, a few more points was available, but here's what happened. In the second half of the day, Nifty broke 24,000 support completely, and the same 24,000 PE that I had sold, which was OTM when I entered, turned ITM very quickly as the market fell. If I had held the trade, the profit would have been wiped out. Exiting at 30 points near previous day high fake out on a monthly expiry day was not just a good decision, it was the right decision. After this trade, I had some personal business to attend, so I closed the terminal for the day. One clean trade, target achieved, profit booked. Sometimes that is exactly how the day should go. Overall profit for the day 6,400. One trade, 30 points, clean exit. And more importantly, I exited before the market gave back everything. That is what experience looks like. Two lessons from today. Pehla lesson: resistance turned support is one of the strongest entry signals in trading. Yesterday's resistance at 24,000 became today's support, and that confluence gave me the confidence to enter that with conviction. When key levels flip like this, they deserve respect. Dusra lesson on monthly expiry: never wait for the strike to turn zero. The volatility and in the second half today was a reminder of exactly why I book profit early on expiry days. Strikes can move from OTM to ITM in minutes, and no target is worth holding through that kind of risk. Book the profit, walk away, let the market do what it wants after that. Have you ever held an expiry trade too long and watched the profit disappear? Drop it in the comment section. Tomorrow I'll be back. Fresh session, same discipline. Subscribe so you don't miss the next breakdown. Let's improve our trading one step at a time. Thank you and have a great day.